Alright, I could smell the honey from up on the deck, so I reckon it's time to go see if the frames are full and if they're capped and if I can maybe pull some honey. Marvin, what do you think of the bees? Do you like them? No? Sonny, what do you think of the bees? I would say that was somewhat successful. Checked out the bees. Yeah, I wasn't too happy about one of the hives. It doesn't look like it's doing very well. I saw a few queen cells in there. They hadn't really gone up into they hadn't started drawing out comb into the carousel rounds in the top. So I think they're just still trying to sort out their existence. You know, being without a queen, no boss lady to run the show. Probably too many hive beetles in there as well. Well, I've just taken the carousel round off, giving them a little bit less space so they don't have to fight the hive beetle off as much. Or maybe it's just less space for the hive beetle to hide in. And the other one seems to be going bonanza, so I threw the carousel round box onto that other one because they're going to run into honey space soon. So I think it's time to give my old friend Bruce a call and get a Beetle Buster.